and welcome to my VIPKid classroom. I'm so excited to share with you a few of my favorite things. These are a few of my favorite things that help me teach in the VIPKid classroom. Now, I know you probably see a lot of videos with a lot of really fancy things that people create or make or have, and I don't know how long they've been teaching or where they got all those things, but it's absolutely possible to start your VIP classroom on $10 or less. So I'm going to share with you a few of my favorite things that I bring to the classroom every day that helps me out. The first one is a whiteboard. Now, I like having a whiteboard a lot. There's a lot of different things you can do with it. Using it with the students is really helpful when you need to communicate something that maybe they're just not quite getting, or you need to, I find it especially useful when you're doing blending words, getting to write the one letter and then write the second sound and then kind of just showing them, to put them together. I find it a really helpful tool for that especially. Sometimes it's good for writing down numbers, for writing down maybe a word you said and they want to see what it looks like. They're like, oh, what's that word? And so you can write it down. So whiteboards, super great, super useful, super cheap. I got mine at the dollar store. So the second thing I really love having in my classroom is a magnetic board. This is fun because I get to write my name on here, Teacher Christy. And sometimes I use it for rewards, so I'll pop on rewards onto here. I have little magnets that actually came with this board. I don't remember. I think I got this one from the Target dollar bin, so this was probably a $3 thing. But it's really helpful. Things stick right on there. It's fun, and I really like using it. So that's one of the other things I bring into the classroom every day with my name. Another thing that is one of my favorites to have is their stuffed animals. I have kids, so I have about 1,000 stuffed animals. Maybe that's a slight exaggeration, but if you have kids, you probably understand what I'm talking about. I have a lot of stuffed animals. So I love using them. They're fun when you're talking about body parts. You can talk about ears, you can talk about nose. They're fun when you're talking about animals in general. So if you have an animal that goes along with a lesson, they're fun to bring out because it kind of just makes the lesson that much more exciting, that much more tangible to the kids rather than me just sitting up here and talking. Another thing that I like to bring to the classroom with me all the time is energy. I'm not a morning person, but when I get to teach my classes, I'm often up at 5 or 5:30 in the morning. And so I think sometimes just bringing an energy to the classroom helps, and understanding that it's a short class. I just need to be big and bold and have fun. And you don't have to be an extrovert like me to make it work in the classroom, okay? So just bring a little bit of energy, match their energy, have fun, and you can do best. So the last thing is have fun. Sorry, I said the word fun in that one. But the fifth thing that I love to bring to my classroom is a little bit of fun. Like I said, they're short classes. The kids they've been in school all day probably, or it's their weekend. And they're coming into your classroom after a long day at school a lot of times, especially if you're in the United States and you're you're teaching from here. So they've been at school all day. So you need to bring a little bit of fun and a little bit of energy to the classroom because they've been going all day long already. And they've probably done all their homework, and you're like the last stop on their day before bed. So I really encourage you to have fun with them. You'll be amazed at just what bringing fun tools into the classroom can do for your interactions with the students, and then being able to understand and grasp and learn what you're trying to teach them using the VIPKid platform. Another, actually, kind of a bonus tool that I have, my kids got this. I think it came from Chuck E. Cheese. Like, let's be real here. I have no idea where this thing came from, but it's funny. Usually when, you introduce yourself, you ask the kids how they are. A lot of them will say, I'm happy. And so what's fun is I can be like, I'm happy too. And, I have this little guy, and he's silly and he's cute and he's fun. And then the other side is silly. So if we're being a little silly, I'll be like, you're being so silly. And I'll bring him out. So these are a few of my favorite things to have in the classroom. And for you, I would just encourage you to take $10, head over to the dollar store, head over to the dollar bin at Target, and see what you can find to make your classroom great. Now, I'll be honest, I actually teach from a closet. This is a walk-in closet. Behind me, just so you know, I don't have a lot of space in my apartment, but behind me is clothes, and then we set up my desk on the opposite wall. So I'm facing right now a wall in my closet. This is clothes right back here. I have a desk, I have a chair, and then I just got this $1 foam core board, and I got these little fold up posters from the dollar store. So I have one back there. I change these out periodically and add new ones, and I go and I look probably every month or so to see if I can find new one, because especially for my students that are with me all the time, it's kind of fun to add a little bit of interest behind me. I did have two boards at once, and I found that one of them kept falling down for some reason. So I haven't figured out how to fix that problem yet. If you got some ideas and some solutions, pop them in the comments below for how to get me two boards that don't fall down too easily, but they're hanging up from the top of my closet. So that's just a little secret for you. And I just wanted to come on, share a few of my favorite things for teaching in the classroom. And if you're a teacher already with VIPKid, go ahead and pop down your favorite tools for the classroom there. And I'd love to connect. So I hope to see you later. And if you have any questions, let me know. Bye-bye.